Hi there. So this video is about stringing your bow. This is for my students who are just beginning with horse archery. How do we string the bow? Well, first, the string. In the middle of the string, you will have what's called a serving string. And it's tight and it's waxed, and if you bend it, it'll stay bent. And maybe you'll have a knocking point. And that knocking point will be closer to the top than it will to the bottom. And if you don't have a knocking point, don't worry, because we'll put some tape on your serving string so that you don't actually need a knocking point. But if you do, it's closer to the top of the serving string than it is to the bottom, okay? So what I do is I take the bottom of the string and I find the loop. And then I find the bottom of the bow, which is the side away from the top of the grip here, where the ray skin is, where the arrow goes. And with the bottom of the bow, I put the bottom of the string and I hook it in. I bring it around the back of the bow, or the front of the bow, and I let the bow slide down until I'm holding it near the top, and I slide my fingers up until I'm holding the string at the top, at the loop. So now I have a V, and as you can see, I'm holding the bow in my right hand and the string in my left hand, and I'm not letting the string go because otherwise it will fall out of that bottom. What I'll do is step through with my right foot, hook the bow around my left ankle. I put the handle of the bow behind my right knee, and then I bend the bow forward with my right hand, still keeping the string taut, and hook it on to the bow, slowly releasing it. Nothing happens quickly when you do that. Then I step out, bow's on the right, string's on the left. Your bow is strung. When I unstring it, I do the same thing in reverse. I step through, hook the bow in front of my left ankle, handle, so I have to step wide with my feet, handle behind the right knee, press the bow forward, and unstring, and step out, and there it is in the V, bow in the right hand, string in the left hand. That's it.